Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Evolver. So yesterday we were wanting to buy cookies, but instead we bought toys, Nerf gun toys, right here. I have the MEGAXL big rig,
and I have the Roblox XL,
which is the Dartbringer. Then we have some ammo for these. We have the light ammo 2.0, I think, and I have the XL ammo, which are really big. So let's start opening these up. Let's start off with the Dartbringer,
which is the Roblox.
What it looks like without the stuff. It looks cool. Let's put some clip with these, I think. Oh, there's the ammo. We have this. Just cut the cardboard. Smart strategy. Also, if you want to see more videos, subscribe and like the video. And this video, actually. Like all videos. Like all of our videos. This is based on the wall of everything. Wait, no. I know. It's like this. Yeah. Oops. Real big. Here's the... Get the bullet. So it comes with 3 ammo. And it also comes with this.
Instructions. You don't need the instructions?
We do need the instructions. Oh! I know how this works. It's like this.
Oh, that is.
So you put the bullets in it.
Can
Wait. How do you do it? Here's how it works. Looks like you have to do that. I don't know how to do it.
Let me try it.
Oh, that's how it does. Okay. So you load in these ammo in here. I'm not sure how many is the maximum. Wait, you can put 3? Yeah. Are you sure? Oh yeah, you can.
Let me shoot it.
Wait, shoot it somewhere. And let's shoot. Oh, not bad.
Pretty impressive.
Okay, so you redo this. Something wrong? Oh yeah, you put that. Get it?
I got it.
So this is how it works. So you pull it. And then you put it back up, and then you shoot.
Sorry, kid.
Okay. So yeah, that's the Dartbringer. You can
Let's
see
see
the inside.
The mega big
really-
rig.
Now let's see the big one. Oh, it also comes with this. I don't know what it is. It's called exclusive. I don't know what that means, but oh wait, it stopped here. And now, ooh, we forgot to open this. Here's the light bullets. Let's open this. After this one, we go with the big rig. So there's tons of bullets in here, but they're different. I'm not sure why, but they're just different. But let's see if they work or. You already put one in, didn't you? You're not supposed to put one in. Yeah, no. Okay, let's see if this one works or not. I'm just trying. Oh, I think it works. Oh, it does work. Get it right here. Okay,
I'm
so
going into the
now we're
water.
going. Right, get it. All right. Now we're opening the MEGAXL, the MEGAXL big rig. Open this. These are really hard ropes. Oh, that's weird. Okay. And here's the big rig. It looks amazing and big. Imagine you get shoot by that.
Imagine you just
And
open
I'm not
it.
sure where the bullet. I think they're under the bullet.
The bullet sign.
Oh!
Oh, how big are they?
Oh my god, look at this.
Oh, they're so big.
This is even. I gotta see this. This is how big it is.
Compared
Look
to
at this. So this is like
Oh my god.
this is like 1.5 bigger. It's like 1.5 times bigger than this, I think. If I do.
Let's
my
put
math
the
correctly.
bullets.
Wow.
Let's put the.
Okay, yeah, we can just put these bullets in here. So let's try this. We also got 10 more. I'm not sure how to put it. Oh. I think it's.
Oh, that's a big bullet.
I think it's ready now. What's wrong with this?
Oh, you gotta do like that.
Now?
Yeah. It's not loaded in.
A little bit too dangerous,
Yeah.
but it's kind of fun still.
Yeah.
So now let's check this. It actually hurts. It actually hurts. So don't try this. Really.
Don't try this at home, kid.
Well, it's not deadly. It's
Yeah,
just it
sure.
hurts
It's not dead.
if you shoot it at the neck or the eye.
Oh yeah, it's painful.
And oh, God, look at these. They're so
Really?
big.
Shoot.
Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and like the video and follow us at the Evolver. So have a great day.